Welcome to school.
You know what I'm saying?
Robos casca. If no be you, then tell me who. Them go sempe. Nobody messing with my boo. Robos casca. If no be you, then
make I check whether they don't come, eh?
Check.
What? Phone call?
I know.
I'm supposed to be here of this.
They don't come.
Robos casca. If no be you, then tell me who. Robos casca. Nobody messing with my boo.
They don't want to listen to all these girls. Must I have to go and do Yahoo?
I just tired. I tired.
Today
We have to deceive them. Make them follow us go church. No Valentine. Let's go to church. Ash, when they go church.
What? Phone call?
And Jesus triumphantly enter into Jerusalem.
Yes, of course.
And he crossed Judah.
Yes, of course, Judas.
Hey, what's going on here?
Today is Ash Wednesday.
No, today is Valentine's Day.
I said today is Ash
Wednesday, yes.
Today is Valentine's Day.
Yes,
Okay.
today is Wednesday, midweek service.
Yes.
Today is Ash Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Okay.
yes.
So we are going to church.
That's it.
From church, I'm coming back home. I'm dedicating myself for you today.
Really?
Yes.
I'm not going out.
You're not going
and
out.
I'm going to spend my
You
time.
are not going out. Is that what you're telling me?
I'm going to spend my time with you to watch PSG and Madrid.
It's Ash Wednesday.
Oh,
meaning
Yes.
no love, right? No love.
Just hold on. 1 minute. Please hold on. 1 minute.
Give them
1 minute.
Oh, baby, you scatter my heart, you. And you load my account, you. See, I no go come on.
You're talking too much. Hold on. You mean you're not going out with me, right?
No, we are going to church.
Maybe you're not going out. You're not taking me out for Valentine's.
Today is
Right?
Valentine.
I'm taking you
Today is
to
Valentine,
church.
You're
but
taking
we are
me to
going to
church.
church.
Yes.
Oh, don't worry.
Church.
You ain't got no problem, guys.
Okay.
Don't worry. Just be here. Babe, do you know when we're coming?
Yeah, I remember.
The Alaji that
Yeah,
Huh?
sure. You
What?
know what?
Alaji.
I'm going right back.
No, you cannot go with Alaji. You have to go.
No. Wait, Alaji.
My brother.
Go watch me these girls. They go like that with Alaji.
No.
Alaji go carry all of us. Go now. Okay, drop Bible. Alaji go carry all of us. Carry all of us.
Don't want any big School2.
Thank you for watching School2 Comedy. My name is Jennifer Azuomo. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching School2 Comedy. Now we're 10,000 subscribers and we still need more subscribers out there. Please keep subscribing for us and keep watching School2 Comedy. And don't forget to tell a friend and tell other friends to keep watching School2 Comedy. Thanks.